A recent article in The Guardian claimed that the Welsh language is very cool.
But what do you think, Cardiff? Is Welsh a cool language or is it dying? We want your thoughts.
So Ness, I understand that you're an advocate for the Welsh language. Why so?
Yes, I think the Welsh language is fantastic. It's a part of my identity. I've been to Tafwyl all weekend and seeing a full ground of Welsh speakers enjoying themselves and enjoying the Welsh culture has been fantastic.
So what would you say to someone who is under the impression that Welsh is a dying language?
It's laughable. Come to Tafwyl. There's Tafwyl on this weekend, a big Welsh festival full of life. The Welsh language is for everyone. It isn't something that should divide us. It's something that should bring us all together because it belongs to all of us. We're all Welsh and it's a way of life. We live and breathe the language, and it's just disappointing sometimes, of course, that we get certain people who judge the language for using it in public spaces and whatever, but it belongs to everyone. So even if you're in two minds of learning it or, sending your kids to Welsh school, go for it. It's the best decision you'll do.
So Rita, what is your opinion of the Welsh language?
To be fair, I couldn't understand a word of it, really. I mean, from the northeast of England, probably the Welsh can't understand the Geordies.
I don't think it would be a good idea to be a nuisance about it, but I think gentle encouragement might be okay, yeah.
Do you think you'd ever try to learn Welsh?
If there was less, if I had more room in my life, yes, I probably would, yeah.
But why do you think more and more people should start venturing towards Welsh?
Because Welsh is our national language alongside English. Clearly it's a minority language, but there's an increasing number of people, young people learning the language. There's Welsh education, Welsh schools popping up all over Wales. I myself went to a Welsh language medium school, and it's all very much a good thing. Why not?